I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Rogers to Virgin, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure your number is eligible for transfer. You can do this by contacting Virgin's customer service or checking their website. Step 2. Gather information. Collect all necessary information, including your Rogers account number, PIN, and any personal details associated with your account. This will be required during the porting process. Step 3. Initiate the porting requests. Contact Virgin Mobile to initiate the porting request. Provide them with the information gathered in the previous step. They will guide you through the process and confirm your request. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. Once your request is submitted, Virgin will contact Rogers to complete the porting. This can take a few hours to a couple of days. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation. Step 5. Test your new service. After receiving confirmation that your number has been successfully ported, test your new Virgin service by making a call or sending a text. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Virgin support. Switching carriers can be a hassle, but following these steps should help you transition smoothly. Good luck with your new service.